We traded in the traditional life to enjoy life on the road with the kids because you only live
Bye,
once.
Mom.
Join us on our adventures. Good morning from Florida. We are packed up and headed a short drive south to Tampa. We're going to do the Super RV show. Looking forward to it. First time that we've been able to do this. We decided last minute that we're going to make this trip down for a couple different reasons, but we're excited that we are going to make the trip. The kids are all packed up, ready to rock and roll, and be off the road for nearly 6 months. This is going to be kind of therapeutic for Chantel and I, so we're going to be able to walk around, see all the new rigs, check out the Newmar rig. We'll check out some new Newmars and do some Grand Design, some Brinkleys, and I think Prevost is there and a couple other ones. So we're going to spend a few hours there, check it out, and have a lot of fun. So.
¿La can see bridge? No, Oscar. Oh, you get to see it. Ven aquí, dame la mano. Dame la mano. Oh, gracias, gracias. Oh, dame la mano. Oh, cheers. Oh, italiano. Huh? Just. Whoa, cool. Wait a minute. He's wearing plaid. The one's wearing a stripe. Somebody didn't get the memo, Dad.
My turn.
All right, with that, go have fun. Make sure these kids learn about how to help out when they're doing the help at the camping site, okay? All right. Oh, taking a picture? I got a good shot.
Yeah.
High five, buddy.
High five.
Yeah, jump.
Picture.
There you go.
Picture.
I don't know. That's pretty cool, huh? What's hey, babe.
You want to go in one?
I'd love to go in one. That one's all lit up.
This one? Yeah.
I'm not sure how it You want to go in, bub?
You don't mind slipping your shoes off?
Oh, you got to take your shoes off. It's worth it.
not be our camper because there's two tiny chairs. There's two tiny.
Well, this pulls out, honey. And then you can add seats to it. But look at this.
I like this.
Show me the other one.
Even.
This is nice, babe.
A makeup
Just me and you?
What is this?
And like. This isn't ours. This is an example.
He's like. This stuff. Look at the TV. It's so big.
Yeah, I like it.
Is this safe?
I love our rig.
I
miss it so much. Alright.
Well, yeah, going in after this one.
This one's got bumps, guys.
This has bumps. I don't want to say the bumps. Pizzeria.
Yeah, this is nice.
These are pizzeria holy moly.
Oh
no, I wouldn't like this.
Yeah, I know.
What?
Oh!
I don't know why they did that.
No.
862.
So what's the difference between... Oh, that's on sale.
What's on sale? This?
I don't know. I'll take the beverage
Hey,
fridge.
look at this one. Why every door doesn't open? This
Nice.
is the one I would want.
Ooh. Nice, huh?
This is the one I would want.
This is nice. Oh, see, we got compartments for your shoes, I think.
Wow.
Wow. I don't know, babe. I kind of like that bed.
I like
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Like
That's definitely.
there's already people in here.
So what's this in the line of...
I don't know.
What is that one?
Yeah, it's like a folding door that for the bathroom.
Oh, cool.
Same.
Well, just this. This has
Oh, that Trace is a dog. What is the name of the puppy dog? Musa. Is not a brother or sister there?
Brother Yoda.
Yoda. Oh, look at Yoda. You can tell. Look at the ears. Look at the ears. Look at the ears. If you want to try and have the puppies close to me, I can stand still.
Alright, guys, you got protein bar? One more cracker.
What's up? What's up, Poochie? What's up?
It is crazy. Yeah. Do you think those are his real feet, Bob?
You see his feet are by his knees.
There you go.
See?
Y'all have fun today. Booyah! Things are looking up. Oh, one more. You still got it, girl. You still got it. Come on, you too. Yeah, I saw that. Come on, you got it. Come on.
Errol asked me this morning if it would be kind of all white. Ready? Come on up.
Oh, your bunks.
but a shade. That's cool. We can get our own shade when we want to play. I actually like this one.
Yeah, it's better than the doors.
Look, Mama.
There's no closet. I wonder how long it is.
I think it's a 45.
What? Is there any bathroom?
Yeah, honey, right here.
I just saw it. Cool. I actually like this because you have the curtains.
Oh, we can't.
What?
Look at this.
No closet.
You roll off of that, Chach.
What? Yeah.
No.
We need the, what do you call it?
Yeah, I actually do.